Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know unbiased review on the website that is uptrended.com, as this website is getting attention of the customers from United States, Canada and United Kingdom, and mainly from all over the world. So let's check out the detail in this video about this website, so you will able to understand either you should buy anything from this store or not. So basically, Apprende is the website that deals with all exclusive shirts and t-shirts available for men for all kind of preparation, and majority of the shirts and t-shirts were seen on the website are black shaded look, quite impressive at first look. But before making any online shopping nowadays, as you know that fraudulent activities are very common, you must check out the detail. The website was created on 21st June 2021. HTTPS secure website. They are dealing with men's clothing. They have mentioned email address, physical address and contact number. They have multiple payment method. As far as return is concerned, returns are available only if the product have not been received, and no refund policy have been shared on the website. As far as shipping is concerned, you can enjoy free shipping over the order of $69. Plus, the positive point of the website are the website has officially been registered under HTTPS protocol. The website has plenty of sizes available for all its product. The website provides 10% off on the first order as we sign up here. Moreover, we could find a startup page for this website on Instagram, which some handsome follower. The negative point of the website are the website has been registered recently. Information about the owner of the site was not available. We could find some serious threats of stealing data and suspiciousness on the website. So here come a question in our mind as a customer: is Apprende legit? Like, the most important point of the website is to identify its whether it is legit or a scam sites. Like, it is important for the customer to go through, check all the properties and policies. So we are sharing the details for you. As we discussed, it is newly created website. It was created on 21st June 2021. The trust score of the website, according to our research, it is about 38.5. It has a Alexa ranking. The content of the policies of the page could be seen as similar to some other website. The policies did not give quite much information about all important points. Customer reviews on this website could not be seen. Social media icons was found on Instagram for this website. Unrealistic discount of 32% were available on their product. As we all know, for website review, customer reviews are the most important aspect of the website, which help us to say trustworthy either this is a trustworthy website or not. Same here, without customer reviews, website is a kind of store that no one visit or talks about. This is negative aspect for the website, as the primary step must be the reviews taken by their customer. No one likes to talk about a website with new customer review, because people think of this website as a hunk of junk. So in our conclusion, we can say that this website is highly suspicious and must be a threat for customers. So we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this store. Moreover, if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you. And if you like our efforts, please do subscribe our YouTube channel. It will boost our spirit to bring such informative video for you that will help you to save your money and to keep you away from some fraudulent activity.